in wonderful podium. Given unto me, and guess what? He says to you and I, behold, I give you that same power. If I give you that same power, that means that the devil is not your match.
So we are at Bubble Planet. We're having the experience, the immersion experience. We're going to play like babies that we are. Let's see. Bubble Planet. Follow me. We found ourselves in this beautiful, beautiful place. You don't want to miss this video at all. Just relax and watch us and see how we enjoyed ourselves. Yay, this was how we started. The kids enjoyed this bit and then we started the movement. This is a place of beauty. I mean, you will feel the joy, the peace, the fun, everything wrapped up in one single place. If you need to learn how to enjoy yourself, just look at me. I'm that example. Oh my goodness. I behaved, I felt like a baby again, and this is another interesting part. Oh, the balloons were so cool. Lots of balloons. I don't even know what I was doing here, but yes, I enjoyed every minute I spent in this room. Okay, so let me step out a bit and then come show the other people on this journey with me. I call them my fellow journeyers who enjoy taking meaningful miles with me. Tell me, what more would we ask of?
Yeah.
Oh God, this place was so good. If you haven't been to Bubble Planet before, you want to try it out. I can tell you for a fact, you would spend 4 hours or even 5 without even knowing you've spent time here at all. This old room, I can't even remember the name, but everything we said here echoed. It felt so cool. Look at us in this room. We spent a bit of time here, chatting, laughing, enjoying the coziness that comes with this room, and then we moved on to other places. Oh, not so fast. We stayed even longer than I thought. Who wouldn't? Okay, so yes, we're moving on to other places here. I really don't need to say anything about this particular room. Just the video of it, you would understand exactly how it feels to be in this room. Look at every one of us. Tell me what you think about this particular one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is so good. This is what it is to be a child again. Let me press this voice over for a bit, just to allow you to enjoy the music that comes from the scene. Now there must be something about this. How did I get myself back into this place? you really need to be here to know why I will get out of this place and go back into this lovely, lovely place. The feeling, unexplainable. Experience it yourself and come tell me how you feel about it. My face says it all, right? Now, if this is not fun, you just have to tell me what exactly is this. What exactly is this if this is not fun? Meaningful Miles with Dr. V. This is exactly what we are about. Of course, that was a joke. Okay, time to move on to our next spot here in Bubble Planet. But trust me, I needed to get one more. Did I just do that again? Yes, I did. That tells you how very, very interesting this must have been for us. And some slow-mo for you. I just had to add this to this video again. I love it. Now, forget about the person in the middle, but just look at this beauty. I mean, the colors, the changes, everything in this room is good. And someone said to me, Vera, that was therapeutic. And I so agree. What do you think? And then our final room, the virtual reality room. Oh my goodness, this was another soft, sweet one. Did you observe? Only the girls started, because this is not the very hard virtual reality that you know. This was so sweet. It was magical. Yes, that's the word. It was magical, but very soft. I enjoyed every minute. In fact, I was out of this world. Oh yes, that was the exact feeling at the time. Everything was so good. So good, so good. Now take it from me, the next thing you will see What does this tell you about this virtual reality? Stephanie was over the moon with this one. Okay, so let's just say I spoke too fast. Can you see my expression here? It became a bit scary. And my expression says it all. But then I enjoyed every bit. No regrets. When I come back here, I'll do this again and again. And not just me, the kids, those who agreed to do this with us, they enjoyed it as well. The big kids, no, they said this was for young people. So yes, if you go to Bubble Planet, you might not want to do this, but that's okay. But if you are like me, you certainly enjoy it. And if you are like the sweet little girls that went on this with me, and then the sweet little boys as well, you would enjoy this one.
Oh my God, it's time for me to eat. Come and eat. Woo! Where am I going? Where am I going? Where am I going? Wow! Without you guys, I'm not doing this. No. Paula, you're not doing.
So the children enjoyed it, but with less drama. Yay, this is Stephanie. We were about leaving, but she said, let's have some more fun or tour around the building. So we did this one, and then we went to the swing. Or what was the next one? Yeah, it was, yes, this was the, I can't remember what it was, okay? But yes, she enjoyed herself. This was for her specifically. I had to stay longer just so that she gets the fun that she deserves. Yay! And guess what? Vera jumped on this one. I couldn't have let it go. That is me. I had to do this. I ticked all the boxes, yes. And that is money well spent. That is exactly how to be a child again. PSU, feeling ourselves. Okay, so our next stop was Lake Wilcox Park. We spent the Sunday enjoying ourselves from church to Bubble Planet and now Lake Wilcox Park. So tell me, what is exactly a vacation without some adventure? Never done kayaking before, but today I had to try. And this gracious man had to explain to me how to go about it. And yes, the adventurous person in me decided to try it out. What happened to me? Keep watching.
Sister is kayak.
What exactly is she doing? Good question you may ask. But hey, this is my first time and it felt really good. That's me for you. Just one little try and I'm already hyping myself. Okay, so that's it for you, Vera.
No, don't go further. Don't go further. Come, bring my sister back. Bring my sister back. Bring my sister back. Thank you. I beg, I value her. No, don't lean on it now. You want her to fall?
My big sis was not having it. I'm back in one piece. I didn't fall.
I came with you.
One of the beauties of vacation is the first time. Yes, the first time is for a lot of things. For us, it was kayaking. And see everyone enjoy themselves and trying their hands on it. So we got home and we decided to have our final activity for the day, water balloon fight.